The recent passing of Maratha Reservation Bill in Maharashtra has ignited a multifaceted debate concerning affirmative action and its alignment with the legal framework. This video delves deeper into the historical context, significance, legal hurdles, and potential outcomes associated with this legislation. The Maratha community, despite forming a significant demographic in Maharashtra, faces pockets of social and economic inequities. Decades of advocacy have brought forth numerous attempts to legislate Maratha reservation. Prior efforts, notably the 2018 Act, faced legal challenges and were struck down by the Supreme Court for exceeding the 50% reservation cap. The bill promises a 10% reservation for the Marathas in education and government jobs. It carves out a separate quota, ensuring no impact on existing reservation quotas for other communities. The central aim is to address social and educational disadvantages within specific sections of the Maratha community. The bill's compatibility with the Supreme Court's 50% reservation limit invites potential legal challenges. Failure to secure legal validity could ignite social unrest and further marginalization. Striking a balance between caste based demands, political aspirations, and the national legal framework remains a complex task. This situation presents an opportunity for broader discourse on rethinking reservation policies for achieving effective social justice. Here are some links for further exploration on this particular legislation. Let's see some thought provoking questions. Can the Maratha Reservation Bill successfully achieve its objective while adhering to the existing 50% reservation limit? Are there alternative approaches that could effectively address social and economic backwardness within the Maratha community? How can we strike a balance between the need for affirmative action and upholding the tenets of the Constitution and established legal principles?